Hey mate, you're a bit of a dodgy geezer, you know what I mean? You've met dodgy geezers, but this is the real deal. This is the Geysers del Tatio. In the indigenous language, it means the tears of an old man. This is a geyser field. It's the third largest in the world. It's the second highest. It's in the Altiplano in Chile. Beautiful Chile. And behind me we've got a geyser. The pressure has built, it's being released. Geysers are formed by underground streams, springs, coming into contact with this hot, igneous volcanic rock. We are in a caldera. This is a volcano cone crater. This water is spouting steam, and we're here at sunrise, daybreak. In the dark we arrived at a temperature of 1 degree. We're here very cold in the morning because there's more condensation to be seen, and with the emerging sunlight it's the best time of day to visit this part of the world where we're going to see this phenomenon. I was in Nicaragua in 1983 where I saw geysers which were formed of bubbling mud. Here we've got pure clean water. It does smell in places, and for those who study geography, volcanoes, this is volcanic activity. This is Chile at its best. And I'm very lucky to be here, and Turner's Travel says, Buenos dias.
Thank you.
This is a caldera. It's a depression because we are ringed, completely ringed by volcanoes. These are geysers. If they are sprouting water, they're defined as geysers. There are also fumaroles here. And here you are, I have a very good example here where you've got water bubbling from the ground. Once again, it's where you've got underground streams coming into contact with volcanic rock, pressure builds because of the temperature rise in the water. You've got bubbling, boiling water letting off steam. So fumarole. Pressure is building. A mini geyser. There's rows of stones here. You're not allowed to go beyond these stones because if the ground is fragile, some people have slipped and fallen into scalding water up to their waist and been helicoptered to hospital with massive burns. Pressure is now decreased. No more spurting water or so much steam, but the gurgling continues. Here at the Geysers del Tatio. This is one of the best geysers in the field. The sun has just risen over the mountainside in the east from Bolivia, and this geysers really built some pressure, gurgling and pumping water and steam into this lovely azure blue atmosphere. At 7:40 in the morning, temperature about 5 degrees. We have to be here this time of day because with low temperatures you get maximum condensation. We had to get up at 4:15 this morning, get on the bus about 5:30, hour-and-a-half journey from San Pedro de Atacama to the Geysers del Tatio in the Altiplano in Chile. This is a honeypot for the discerning, tenacious traveler. It's a really, truly beautiful sight. As I've said in another video, I've seen geysers in Nicaragua which were mud. Looked like Aero chocolate factory. But in those days, all I had was a camera with slide film and a tape recorder. But with technology today, with high quality video on a little camera, you can make phenomenal videos. And it's a true delight to be here. And it's Turner's Travels, Michael Turner, saying all students of geography or any traveler, you've got to go and see the world. Get out of the hotels, get out of the resorts and learn what there is on our planet, because it's truly a fantastic place, as these tourists here will no doubt agree. The geyser field at 3,480 meters, around 13,000 feet above sea level. Second highest geyser field, the third largest, 64 geysers and scores of fumaroles.